Came across a WPA file from an old ACT contact management system and need its contents? This is a legacy word processing document format. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to recover text from these ACT word processing document files. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read a WPA file even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. WPA files are word processing documents created by ACT contact management software for storing letters, memos, and correspondence linked to contact records. They contain formatted text mail merge fields, contact references, and document metadata used in customer relationship management and sales workflow documentation. WPA files use a proprietary binary format developed for ACT software, storing document text formatting attributes, paragraph styles, font definitions, and ACT field codes for contact data merging. The structure includes document properties, creation timestamps, author information, and links to associated contact records in the ACT database. Your application default for WPA should ideally be Swiftpage Act from Swiftpage Inc. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows provides simple viewing, but full manipulation depends on a document-specific application. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the WPA file and select Open With. Test Swiftpage Act if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the WPA format uniquely. If you still can't open the WPA file, it's okay. Let's get the technical grounding straight. Before we jump to the universal solution, let's look at the specific reasons this WPA file is failing to load. First, opening an ACT software. Install Sage ACT or Swiftpage ACT, contact management software, which natively handles WPA files. Open ACT and navigate to the Document Library or Contacts Documents tab. Double-click the WPA file to open it in the integrated word processor displaying merged contact data and formatted content as originally designed. Next, converting via export. Within ACT software, open the WPA file and use File then Save, as to export as RTF doc or DOCX format. The converted file preserves text formatting and most document layout, but mail merge fields convert to static text. Open the exported file in Microsoft Word or LibreOffice Writer for further editing. Finally, recovering text content. If ACT software is unavailable, open the WPA file in a text editor like Notepad++ to extract readable text fragments embedded in the binary structure. Copy meaningful text into a new document. This recovery method loses formatting, but preserves the essential written content from legacy WPA files for archival purposes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend File Magic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.